How to make Facebook Marketplace listing shareable. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to make Facebook Marketplace listing shareable. So in order to make the listing shareable on Marketplace, first thing first, update your application. If you have not updated your application, then go to your Google Play Store. On the search box, type in Facebook and wait for the application to be updated. So if you see open, then the application is completely up to date. If you see update, which means that the app needs to be updated, so go ahead and tap the update button. So in my case, it's completely up to date, and I'm gonna open up my Facebook app. Now once logged in, tap the marketplace from the top. After that, it's gonna take you to here, this page. So right over here, you'll need to tap an item that you want to share. So for example, I'm just gonna go with this particular one. So as you can see, this is how you can see the product. You can also go ahead and check the product details and all that. And you want to share it with your friends or family, then you can just go ahead and swipe down or scroll down and tap the share button. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see different options, such as send it in Messenger or copy link or send it or share it to your feed. So I'm just going to share it to the Messenger. So just tap the share, send it to Messenger, and select the contact to whom you actually want to share. So I'm just going to send it to this particular contact, and once you've done that, you've successfully shared the marketplace listing from Facebook. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.